Hi, welcome to My Cute Tunes. Today we're going to draw Rosalina from Super Mario. Grab your marker and follow along with me. As usual, we're going to start with her eye. We're just going to draw the underside of the eye. We're going to make it nice and round at the top. We're going to draw 2 eyelashes. And then the iris and the pupils. Light reflections, and let's fill the pupils and the eyelashes in. Now right behind the eye, we're going to draw a little button nose, and right beneath that we can draw her lips. Now we have her hair going over her face. So I'm going to start up here and I'm just going to draw a curvy line down and I'm going to curve it out at the bottom. Now on this side we're going to do the same. We're going to curve a line out, bring it back, and then right up here roughly we're going to draw the hair again, curving it out and bringing it back. And now we can draw the other side. Now I'm going to start here at the bottom. I'm going to curve it back and I'll take it past this line. Just a little bit past the line. Now right on top, we can draw a crown. And I'll draw the 2 outsides of the crown, and then in the middle, I'll draw sort of a pyramid shape, and then I'm going to connect it back. And there we have a perfect crown. And then right there, a little jewel that's going to sit there, and then on the sides of the crown, half circles for the sides of the jewels. Now we can draw on this side the same effect like here, 2 hairs sticking out, 2 pieces of hair sticking out. And now on the side here, I'm going to go from her eye downwards and I'm going to go up for her sideburns. And now we can start with the jawline, and we'll draw a jawline right there. Let's go down and do her neck. So I'm going to draw her neck and I'm going to stop right there. Now in the middle, there's a little jewel and I'm going to draw a circle. And then we're going to draw this jewel right there. And now from this jewel, I want you to draw 2 lines curving outwards. And don't go too far past. We're going to start here and I'm going to draw a torso and a dress. And I'm just going to bring it down. You can curve it and whatever you want. And I'll bring the line like this. Now on this side I'm going to do the same. Torso, middle, then the bottom of the dress, turn it over, and maybe from here I'll just try to connect it like this. Now we can draw the shoulders. So I'm going to start here, I'm going to draw the shoulder, touch that line and bring it down like an arm, and I'm going to do the same on this side. Then we're going to draw a sleeve, and on this side you're going to draw another sleeve and a little hand, and we can draw the inside of her arms as well. And on this side we'll do the same, inside of her arm. Now going back, we're going to complete the dress like this. And then of course her hair, and I'm going to start here and I'm just going to make a nice little curve out. There's 1 piece of hair, and then here we'll just do that. And her hair is finished. Great. On the side there's a little magic wand. So I'll draw a circle and I'll draw a star shape. And then I'm going to draw a straight line back to her hand. And now we can continue with the dress. I'm going to start right there, and I'm just going to draw the bottom of a dress, and I'll do the same on this side. I'll maybe start here, and I'll go back all the way and connect it to the top. And then here at the bottom, her underdress. We're going to connect it. And there we go, and there's Rosalina. Now you can check my picture out and you can match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.